என் எழுத்து அறிய வைத்தாய். ஏற்றமும் இரக்கமும் வாழ்க்கையில் உண்டு என உணர வைத்தாய். ஒல்கா புகழ் கொண்ட என் ஆசானே, ஓய்வில்லாமல் உழைப்பவரே, உம்மை போற்றுவதில் நாங்கள் பெருமிதம் அடைகிறோம். Good evening, friends. I welcome you all for the weekly meeting of Rotary Club of Ginde for the celebration of International Teachers Day and inauguration of online literacy classes. I request President to call himself and call the meeting to order.
Friends, good evening. The weekly meeting is called to order. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharath. Good evening, friends. Let us begin the meeting with the silent invocation for 10 seconds. Thank you. Now I call upon Dr. Anuradha to recite the four-way test.
Good evening, everyone. The four-way test of the things we think, we say, or we do. First, is it the truth? Second, is it fair to all concerned? Third, will it build goodwill and better friendship? Fourth, will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Anu. Let's have Rotarian Madan to share with us the thought for the day.
Thought for the day: better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. Thank you.
Now it's time for the president to welcome the gathering. Over to Sharath.
Friends, invitees, and the special guests today, our teachers. Welcome to this weekly meet where we are recognizing and appreciating our teachers from school, college, and other vocations, and also our Interact teachers. Welcome, one and all. And I also welcome the officials from our district, Chair Rotarian Alok, Chair Rotarian Muthusamy, and Rotarian Shobana, and a few of my co-presidents. Thank you for joining. And of course, our club members, our CGNs, I also welcome you. What more can I say? It's a very nostalgic day today. Today is the 99th day I have taken over as a president of the club, and it's going to be tomorrow. It's going to be 100 days. It's going to be quite phenomenal. You know, it doesn't look like that I have taken over as a president. It's already 100 days, and I just want to. I'm just going to do an extempo today. I don't have a written script, so I'm just going to do an extempo. During our schools, colleges, you know, our teachers used to tell us, "Nalla padipa, nalla padichadha future nalla irukum." Adallam sollite irupanga. You know, it has been almost. Please don't guess my age. It has been almost 30 years. I have passed out of college. So you know, appo nammalukku avlo perusa onnu theriyadu. என்னப்பா இப்போ பார்த்தாலும் இந்த டீச்சர் இது சொல்றாங்க அது சொல்றாங்க இதேதான் இவங்களுக்கு வேலை எல்லா ஒரு டீச்சருக்கு ஒரு பேர் வைப்போம் ஒரு நிக் நேம் வைப்போம் எல்லாம் வைப்போம் பட் யூ நோ as you keep growing in your life you know you recognize the importance of teachers you know once you have settled in life or once you have a problem and you think of a teacher or once you have a success you think of a teacher you know every instance you know there is not a single person a single human on earth who doesn't have a teacher. Either it can be in school or college. Why school, college? Even as a Rotarian, we have teachers in Rotary too, because we idealize somebody, we follow somebody. So everyone has teacher in their every walk of life and every phase of life. So today's meeting is just an attempt to recognize them, appreciate them for being a pole star or a guiding star in our life. So we started this awards, planning this awards thanks to Vocational Service Director Satya who initiated this idea. Thanks to him, we started initiating this plan to give awards to our teachers on September 5th, which is where we celebrate in India as Teachers Day on the birthday of Radhakrishna, and we are concluded this on 5th October, which is World Teachers Day. Since we don't have meetings on Monday, we had to do it today. So it is just, I've skipped 2 days, so please forgive me for that. And a wonderful job, Satya and team. You have taken this in a very great way great shape. I know it is, a lot of our teachers would have, a lot of us would have lost contact with the teachers, but he called up individually and his team called up individually. And special thanks to Dr. Anu and Club Service Director Kritika for calling up members and asking them to connect with teachers. A lot of us, connected with our teachers. Not only us, we are aunts and aunts also connected. And it has been a great, and we have almost hit our target, 115 certificates of appreciation, just commemorating 115 years of Rotary. So it's quite a Herculean task, Satya. Well done. And I would also like to thank Shrikant Andal, the Community Service Director, for taking up, the wheelchair project from Soul Free. Soul Free is an NGO. It is run by Preeti Srinivasan. She is I don't get the exact name. So she is, from neck down, she is a spinal cord injured person. And until the age of 19, she captained the India team and she won a trophy for her team, the first time ever. And she was a national swimmer. She won a lot of gold medals, but unfortunately, at the age of 19, she met with a very freak accident in the beach. And from that day onwards, she suffered a spinal cord injury. And from that time, she has been on a wheelchair. So 12 years, she was very silent. She was in a shell. Then last 7 years, she started Soul Free. And she helps people who are suffering with the same problem. And we awarded her 2 months back. And we thought we would also do a wonderful project for her. We are supporting her. Our target was to support 125 wheelchairs, but till now we have supported 50 with a whooping amount of ₹7 lakhs. So thanks to all our club members, a few members from other clubs, and who have come forward to sponsor this. Thank you, one and all. And under Shrikant's Avenue, also under Community Service Development, we are building 2 toilets for 20 toilets in our village, Alatur, for the marginalized community. So it's a great initiative. So we will be spending close to 1 lakh on that. And our GG is already done. We have already paid the amounts. And once it is approved, it's submitted and amounts are paid, we can start the GG. GG is a global grant where we are donating for the benefit of teachers who are here. We are donating 6 dialysis machines to Savita Hospital, where the hospital will provide free treatment to the dialysis patients. And on October 24th is World Polio Day. So what is World Polio Day? So World Polio Day is to create awareness of polio and to eradicate polio out of the world. So right now, there are around 50 to 60 cases only in Afghanistan and Pakistan, and we have to eradicate that. And once that is done, I think we will get down to eradicate corona. And I think I think Rotary will have that as one of their biggest agenda. And on 17th of this month, we have a fellowship group in our club. It is called RCG Roaring Riders. So they are bike-loving people. So they are going to go on a road trip, or a 150-kilometer road trip from Madras to Sadras. So on 17th, it's going to be flagged off, and our kind DG Muthu has agreed to flag off the event on 17th morning, 6 a.m. And anybody who's interested can please join. It is also welcome to other clubs. So I will also send circular to other clubs. So the only thing, you should own a bike. If you don't own a bike, no problem. We will arrange a bike for you on rental. So with this, I just end my welcome speech and Avenue information. Thank you, Bala.
Thank you, President Sharath. Rotarian Satya will now share with us the idea in the Teachers' Day program and also introduce the District Interact Chair Rotarian Alok. Satya?
Just to check again, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Satya.
I'm audible? Okay. Because I was not getting a response. Okay. Good evening, friends, guests, the teachers. So welcome all of you. I think very few left after Sharath has given a brief detail about our Teachers' Day celebration. Just to give you an idea how it all started, Yes, towards end of August, we were talking about what do we do for Teachers' Day, because I'm sure all of you will agree that largely whatever we are today, I'm sure all of us will attribute to our teachers and mentors and gurus, whom we may call. And it's important that we decided that we will celebrate this in a different way. And knowing President Sharath for thinking and executing everything in a bigger way, and going with the theme that it's joy of giving, and he wanted to give the joy to many, many people. We decided that we will honor our members' teachers apart from recognizing our Interact and other school teachers. So that's the thought, that we will go and we'll get our members' Anns and Annettes, recollect our teachers, and recognize them with these mementos. That's the whole idea of starting this initiative. And we fixed that number as 115 because President said, let's go with the commemorating with the Rotary year of 115 years of Rotary. So that's where the whole idea started. And this got kicked off on the Indian Teachers' Day, which is on 5th of September. And we decided that we'll run this campaign for a month and end it on the International Teachers' Day, which is 5th of October. As he said, since it fell on a Monday, we thought we will do this on our weekly meeting, which is on Wednesday, which is today. So thank you once again for joining. And it's a very important initiative, I would say, because as I said, it's very nostalgic for us to recollect our teachers and give them away with mementos. Thank you for all the members who have taken the interest in participating and nominating the teachers, all the Anns and Annettes who have come forward to give their names. And as Sharath said, I have to really thank the team which worked very, very hard in terms of reaching out to members, starting with Club Service Director Kritika Madhu, our member Dr. Anu, who relentlessly called every member repeatedly and identifying their free time and trying to reach out to them. I'm sure sometimes she had also kind of disturbed them, which is okay because given the cost, it's worth it. And from the ANET side, ANET President Kalishwar and Anne Raji ma'am, Anne of our Secretary Bala. So all of them have together put in this effort in getting this together. And of course, the Interact teachers who have made it to this 115. So thank you, Sharath, for the opportunity given. And I'm sure, all our members will feel very, very good about doing this to their teachers. And I'm sure all our teachers will also recollect their old memories with all the members and their students, both good and bad memories. Okay.
Yes,
so
Satya, I would just like to add that all these mementos are at my office, and we will start couriering to all the teachers from tomorrow.
Sure. Good. And Sharath, we will reach out to members. Some of them would like to personally give it. So those members will hand it over to them.
Sure.
And rest of it, wherever it has to be done. Just want to quickly take 30 seconds, because I was also keen to know, we all know what is Teachers' Day, Indian Teachers' Day, for Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday and things like that. I was wondering, what is this World Teachers' Day? So I just picked up something, Googled and picked up, maybe of interest to everybody. It says World Teachers' Day is the day which honors Educators Association around the world. This day was created by UNESCO, not only to show appreciation for teachers all over the world, but also to assess the day and help teachers to improve. Its main aim is to prepare instructors and to guarantee that the requirements of future ages will be met by the educators. And we all know that many countries have their own National Teachers' Day. But according to UNESCO, it is necessary to observe the national issues that affect teachers from an international view. And also every year, the World Teachers' Day has a theme. And for 2020, the theme goes this way. It's teachers leading in crisis, reimagining the future. The day provides the occasion to celebrate the teaching profession worldwide, take stock of achievements, and draw attention to the voice of teachers who are at the heart of efforts to attain the global education target of leaving no one behind. So I thought it's worth sharing this as we celebrate International Teachers' Day. Thank you very much. And it's my pleasure to welcome our District Interact Chair, Rotarian Alok Vimani. Very brief profile. Very interesting to say. The mantra is there's a system to success and it has to be learned. Rotarian Vimani, educated, schooling in Kolkata, graduated, did his undergraduation in Vivekananda College in Chennai, and did his PG from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. And he says ever since, every day has been a new learning after his academy. And He's been in the field of business for more than 3 decades, in the field of manufacturing hard electronics, in the name of a company called Perfect Electronics Private Limited. And apart from that, been involved in family business of investment and wealth advisory. He attributes most of his learning, leadership excellence, which came from the at work and social environments. Being a president of Madras West Roundtable 10 and Rotary Club of Chennai Capital, includes his work and work on environment, where the most learnings came from the power of simple systems. Welcome, Rotarian Alok Viman.
Thank you. Thank you very much for that wonderful introduction. So to start with what has been teachers, for me, I have observed something. Every time a student, every time a child loves a subject, let's say he loves maths. No, he's not a prodigy in maths. He loves maths because he found one teacher in his life whom he loved, who taught him maths. And every time you see a child doing well in a subject, be rest assured that behind that child is a person who has taught him that subject very lovingly. And I'm going to share this experience of mine. It's just not my experience, and you can always put it with your thoughts and your experience, but this is mine and I must share it because it was a wonderful experience with teachers right from when I grew up. So I was put in this large school in Calcutta, and my mother pushed me into that school. And the school always taught me to be a slow learner. Maybe I was a slow learner. I'm going to fast forward class 3. I had a teacher named Mrs. Giluli. And slow learner I was. My mother was called to school on the parent-teacher meeting day. She had thought that it's a day when she has to hear from the teachers how poor I was at studies. But no, it was not that. Mrs. Gululi said, even when I'm sick, I want to go to school because I know a child called Alok is there who's a slow learner and I need to teach him. That was a teacher for me. Didn't stop there. I was in class 5. Not good at studies. Again, my mother was called. And this time on a parent-teacher meeting, the teacher told my mother, she was Mrs. Innes. I remember the names. And she said that he is not going to pass, ma'am. He's in wrong company. But I'm aware he's in wrong company and we need to correct that. So we'll pass him with a warning. And that's what happened. That's how I went to high school. This was one more teacher who recognizes a student not for what he is, but where he is wrong. Come fast forward, high school, chemistry, first class, in class 6. We were being introduced to chemistry. And this is a teacher by the name of Mr. Singh. He comes to the class, puts all the test tubes on the desk, mixes some liquids, there is color is changing, a smoke is coming out. And this is how he introduces chemistry to us. Children, this is no mystery. This is chemistry. These are the teachers I have seen in my life. These are the teachers whom I remember still, because every teacher who came, by the way, changed me. Now, this was my life. I must share with you something which happened 5 years back. My son was in Shishya, class 12. He was a good student, very good student. And then just 6 months away from the ISC board exam, she said, your son has to come for tuition for the next 6 months, 3 days a week. Aish told me, I'm already 90 plus. Why should I go there for tuition? She said, no, he must come. Aish told me the fees is very high. It's 12,000 rupees, just 3 months of teaching. I said, you have to go. She's calling you. He went every alternate day, sometimes tried to skip. And when he was skipping on that day, she used to order Domino's pizza for them to make sure they came. 3 of them were going. And you know what happened? All 3 of them got hundreds in ISC. And later I was told the story that every year she used to take those 3-4 children whom she knew that these people will max the exam and used to personally tutor them. And guess what? She never charged a single paisa when she was doing this. This is what teachers that I have seen. Now, this might be my experience, but it's not. Every teacher will give you a story to tell. Every student will have a story to tell. Every parent there will know how a teacher has changed his children's lives. Now, this is about teachers, and I bow to all of you for what you have done to our children. Now, not stopping here, what I can also tell you is, while the school is teaching subjects, let's say they teach language as a subject, the teacher teaches the child communication. The books are teaching geography, the teacher is showing them the world. The books are telling you what was history. Teachers tell you how to make history. It doesn't end there. Where they teach science in school, the teachers are teaching you the science of life. And all I can say, thank you very much. In all of you, I see my teachers. And it's been a wonderful experience living this life. Thank you very much. Lovely.
Thank you, Rotarian Alok. It was very insightful. I'm sure every one of us here would have a similar experience, but you have been very brave enough to say that you were a slow learner and an average student, but not bad. Now you're doing very well in life. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. I would like all the members from RCG and other Rotarians of our club to give a big round of applause to Satya and team. Satya, you have done a wonderful job. You know, I know the amount of time and amount of patience it takes for you to call up members and ask them to, nominate their teacher. Special thanks to his team members, Dr. Anu, Kritika, and Raji, and of course we have the ANET President Kali. Great job. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Now move on to next agenda. I request our Pitaji, Rotarian Mitaji, to give us an introduction about the online literacy classes and introduce the district basic education literacy chair, Rotarian Shobana Prasad.
Well, this is the 6th year of Rotary Club of Guindy conducting the literacy class. Unfortunately, this year, because of the pandemic, we could not do the same usual classes because everything is online today. So we took the help of Damu, a member of AHA Guru Association, who has been very kind to conduct these classes. And my special thanks and appreciation goes to Dr. Anuradha. She has been instrumental in coordinating between the teachers of 2 schools, Mugapere High School and Avadi Girls School, both are government schools. We could muster up 100 students for this program. Great job, all of you, everyone. Everyone is a part of this. So once the pandemic is over and we are back to normal, we will be conducting our normal classes. The entire thing is on the teachers. As everybody knows that the teachers are the ones who mold our careers and mold our futures. So once again, I bow down to all the teachers because they are the ones who have brought us to this stage. Without them, we would have not been sitting here and talking like this. Maybe we may be roaming around in the street, but because of you teachers are the ones who really do the job. I have great pleasure in introducing Shobana from the district literacy team. Rotarian Shobana Prasad, a graduate in nutrition in dietetics, joined Rotary as an AN in early 1990s. Then in 2000, became the Charter Secretary of Rotaract Club of Chennai Silk City. In the year 2017, she became the 4th president of her club and performed a number of amazing projects. She has received the Gold Medal Award and Platinum Presidential Citation, a great honor. During this, in the connecting year, she was the additional chair of the ANETS team, Governor's Special Representative for RC Amethyst, and also served as GGR. For the T20 year, she is leading the literacy and education team of RI 3232. She is into reality business and also manages family business of import-export. She is a passionate food and nutrition blogger and is a squash trainer, certified by India Cement Squash Racket Association. She got keen interest out of the box community service projects. She is married to Mr. W.V. Rajendra Prasad, who is into mineral export and import business. They are blessed with a daughter and son. Shobana, we welcome you to this prestigious RCG meeting on this Wednesday. Over to you.
Thank you, Rotarian Nida, for that lovely introduction. President Sharath, Secretary Balachandra, Club Service Director, my friend Kritika, district officials, Rotarians, and ANETS of this illustrious club, RCG. A warm good evening to all. Very happy to be here this evening to one of the most happening club. Thanks, President Sharath, for the invite. Teaching is one iconic profession that has always been awake and alive, even during the testing times. Teachers are unsung heroes who have made positive differences in many lives. Blessed are we who have gathered here virtually to recognize them. 115 teachers. What an amazing number. Congrats, President Sharath and his team. Really a soul satisfying one. And it's so nice that he's been matched up with the 115 years of growth. A very soul satisfying one. Another interesting program is the inauguration of virtual classes. Again, the bigger number, 100 students. And he's going to enter into 100th day. So it's all matching up, you know. So congrats once again, Sharath. Another jewel in the crown. My best wishes to RCG. Rotary India Literacy Mission objective is for total literacy and quality education in India. To achieve this, it has designed a comprehensive program called TEACH. T for teacher support, E for e-learning, A for adult literacy, C for child education, and H for happy student. The common goal is to improve the learning outcomes and primary education and bring total literacy all over India. So happy to see Guindy Club rolling out with so much of literacy projects. I'm really, really inspired. So let's celebrate literacy. Best wishes and thanks for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Shobna. It was a very crisp and informative speech from your side. Thank you. And we are looking forward to do more literacy projects here with the district literacy team. And I would also like to, yeah, I would also like to welcome AG Amuldu Parmila couple for joining our meet. Welcome. Thank you, Midaji, or Pitaji as he fondly called, and Pranay and Ram Jr. of the literacy team for rolling out this inauguration. And the online classes will start, I think in a few days. And thank you. And now Bala. So we can have a few of our members to talk about the teachers. You have Annette, also you have Kali, the president of the Annette Club. A lot of us are here, and we can talk about the teachers. Now it would be very nostalgic to talk about them. Maybe if you want to talk, you can just raise your hand. I can unmute you and go ahead. Bala, shall we go ahead?
Yeah, shall we go? Yeah, Sharath.
Yeah. So if you can just raise your hand, I can unmute you.
The teachers should come forward.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So probably Secretary Bala can start. So then we have Dr. Vishnu who wants to talk.
It's been a great pleasure to have interacted in this, and I should thank the team for providing this opportunity, for feeling how old I am. Because most of my teachers are, heading to 90s. So anyhow, but one of the teachers, I spoke to him today, he prayed for me, he prayed for the school, which was a great experience. So my take on the whole thing is that our teachers are the inspiration, the guiding lights of our careers, and they actually pave the road in which we need to walk in. So I'm grateful to Rotary Club of Guindy to giving me this opportunity for interacting with some of my teachers who are almost 90 plus. Thank you.
Friends, I just want to add to what Vishnu said. He has nominated 6 of his teachers. He was so inspired by this certificate of appreciation to teachers, and he nominated 6. And he somehow got into his college group, school group, and his medical group, and he found 6 teachers. Thank you, Vishnu. Kudos.
Okay, very good evening, friends. Okay, நம்மளோட chief guest he was sharing his school days experience and his personal experience with his teachers. Quite inspiring. அவர் பேசும்போது I thought I should share one of my experience in my school days as well. So thanks for reminding me that, and I just wanted to share that here. It was in my 9th standard. Until it was in until my 6th standard, I was in a matriculation school. Then I was transferred to Chennai, and then I joined my CBSE here. So what happened was like in my 9th, I was very bad in Tamil. Though Tamil is my mother language, I always had difficulty in reading the Tamil literature. So it was whenever there was an exam, only my mom used to read all the prose and text and all the poems and all that. I just used to listen, and whatever I understood was there on my paper the next day on the exam paper. So that's how it went on till 9th standard. But unfortunately, in the 9th standard, I scored about what I think I was compartmentally passed to 10th standard because of my very low marks in Tamil. See, what happens is, first of all, when you don't get a subject, you're demoralized. More than whether the subject is in you, whether you can learn it or not, you're mentally demoralized. And when I went to the 10th standard, it was so amazing that I got a master by name Paneer Selvam. I wouldn't call him a very, I wouldn't tell he's a very great teacher, but the effort that he took, he understood. The very first day, when I went to my 10th standard, I went into the teacher's, the room, and I told him, "Sir, I'm very weak in Tamil, so I think you should help me with this." Then he took a very special care, and every day after the school hours, he used to make me sit half an hour and try to help me with all the literature or the poem or whatever. It was only because of him I started liking the subject Tamil after that. And to my surprise, even I couldn't believe that year we had a Manavar Mandram exam and I was the school topper. So if it was not Paneer Selvam sir, I don't think I could have really even dreamt of coming first that year, that too in a Tamil exam. So it just got reminded when the chief guest was speaking about his school experience. So I just wanted to share that. So thanks for all the teachers who have made their, who made us today what we are. Thank you so much for all of you.
Yeah, thank you, Kritika.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kritika, for nominating. Every member of their family nominated a teacher. Kritika and her husband Madhu and son Kali and Shakti, time irukku nenikiren. So everybody nominated. Thank you. And Jamidaji and Dr. Anu, we have Damu and Gomati from AHA Guru. So Damu and Gomati, would you like to talk a few words?
Okay. Good evening, Mr. President and Secretary sirs. Thanks for inviting us for the wonderful meeting here. ஒரு பழமொழி சொல்லுவாங்க, one professions can create many professions சொல்லிட்டு. I could see the so many different variety of professions during the inaugural இதுல ஸ்லைட்ல பார்த்தேன். அந்த ப்ரொஃபஷன்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரு டீச்சர் ப்ரொஃபஷன் கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கிறதே வந்து ஒரு பெரிய இதுவா பார்க்கணும். தட்ஸ் வை மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வம் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ரேஞ்சில் இது பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. ஐ எம் வெரி கிரேட்ஃபுல் டு இன்னைக்கு வந்தது வந்து ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி இன்னைக்கு ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் பத்தி ஷேர் பண்றதும். திஸ் இஸ் நாட் அ ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ், இது வந்து ஒரு ஆஃப்லைன் கிளாஸஸ். இது வந்து ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ்ன்னு சொன்னா வாட் இஸ் த டிஃபரன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் ஆன்லைன் அண்ட் ஆஃப்லைன் சொன்னா, ஆன்லைனுக்கு வந்து ஒரு டைம் இருக்கு. இந்த பர்டிகுலர் டைம் ஸ்டார்டிங் ஃப்ரம் 9 to 1, இந்த பர்டிகுலர் டைம் யூ ஷுட் நாட் மூவ் அரவுண்ட், யூ ஷுட் சிட் இன் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் கம்ப்யூட்டர் அண்ட் லேர்ன். இதுக்கு வந்து இன்டர்நெட் மஸ்ட் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இது இருக்கும். பட் இந்த ஆஃப்லைன் இது நாங்க ஆகுருந்து ப்ரொவைட் பண்ற கிளாஸஸ் வந்து சில்ட்ரன் இது ஃபிளெக்சிபிள், எப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ டைம் இருக்கோ அந்த டைம் பார்க்கலாம். ஆன்லைன் டைம்ல ஒன்லி அந்த லெசனோட வீடியோ மட்டும் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறமா இன்டர்நெட் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு whenever they are free, அவங்களுடைய பேரண்ட்ஸ் வந்து வெளியில போயிட்டு வராங்கன்னு சொன்னா அப்பதான் வந்து அவங்க 9 o'clock தான் வந்து மொபைல் போன் கிடைக்குதுன்னு சொன்னா அந்த ஒரு half an hour 45 minutes பார்த்தா போதும். So we used to suggest student that every day 45 minutes you have to watch the courses அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி போட்டிருக்கிறோம். So this is what I would like to share here. Maybe after this meeting, we can have more discussion with the teacher who's handling children. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Damu and team, and special thanks to Balaji Sampath for just collaborating with our club. Thank you very much. Do we have any teachers who want to talk about their experiences? We also have a Rotarian, Usha Prasad from 3231. Usha, if you can unmute, on your video, I can spot you.
Hi all.
Yes, madam.
Like almost everybody here, teachers, after parents, teachers are the first influences in our life. Me being a science graduate, some of my earliest teachers, I still remember them vividly. I'm very happy to share that Rotarian Virupakshan was part of that. He's a few years senior to me, but he happened to kindle that interest in physics and chemistry to me. I'd like to recall this organization, which is no more, but I think the concept was very noble. So I'd like to recall this concept, and maybe somebody can pick it up and maybe it can happen again. So I used to study in a government school during my high school, and I couldn't afford tuitions. There was this organization called EverUS, where our seniors used to take classes for us. And Virupakshan was one of the super seniors for me. And they used to take classes in a very interesting way. I mean, I was really surprised how even teachers in my schools were like class A class in their subjects, because they were the ones who setting the books and question papers. But these seniors of ours, they kindle the interest in us. They'll typically start a class with sambar. What are the elements in a sambar, right? And that's how a chemistry class will start. And it made me realize the difference between a cell and an atom. What is the connection between an atom and a human cell or a plant cell? What is the difference between a plant cell and it was really amazing, kind of almost visual experience for us. But more important was the concept that once we learned from them, and once we graduated, we took classes for our juniors. And then those juniors graduated and took class for their juniors, all free of cost. This gave us an opportunity. I know quite a few people in my batch who are now well-to-do, and we are pursuing trainings and teaching people in our own ways. But that organization called EverUS in Naganallur, I'd like to recall them at this moment and salute all the teachers there. Thank you, President.
Sharatji.
Yes, please.
Sharatji, Uma ma'am and Raju sir, the literacy program doubt na Damu sir irkaru, so they can have a word also if they want.
Yeah.
Uma ma'am, please, if you have any doubt, you can ask Damodan sir in the group itself. So it will be clear for other teachers also, so they can also coordinate. Kindly, please, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Even Raju sir, you can also.
Ma'am, doubt ella illa ma'am. Actually, app download பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் வந்து அந்த யூசர் நேம் பாஸ்வேர்ட் அதுதான் ஆக்சுவலி நாங்க இன்னும் பண்ணல, அதனால எனக்கு அது எப்படின்னு தெரியல. ஆப் டவுன்லோட் பண்ண வரைக்கும் ஓகே, அது பண்ணிட்டேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பாஸ்வேர்ட் ஃபார் ஈச் சப்ஜெக்ட் சம் லிட்ரஸி தனியா அந்த மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல, அது மட்டும் தான்.
Dr. Anu, we will have a separate session on that.
Fine, Sharatji. Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, Uma ma'am, நீங்க ஒரு டீச்சர், உங்க டீச்சர் பத்தி ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்களேன்.
Yes. I had a teacher from when I was like 3rd to 4th, from 3rd to 4th till my school, 12th standard. I had a single teacher who was always caring about me. She used to scold me when I do silly mistakes also. She used to punish me a lot. I used to get very angry with her. But when she meets my father, she used to tell, Uma is a very good girl. You never worry about her. She's very good in character. She will study well. She'll be something great in future. You need not worry about her. So I'll be happy. But when she sees me, she'll be very angry. Even now, I keep in touch with her. She's working in Tambram Christ King School. She's a PG botany teacher. Her name is Devi Lalita Mary. I'll never forget her in my life. And not only my studies, even now she inquires about my husband, my children, where they are studying. and take care of them very well. Put her in a dance class, drawing class, everything. She advises me till now. I'll never forget her in my life, and that is my this is my pleasure in sharing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Raju sir, what say?
Raju sir.
Good evening to all. Yes, sir. Good evening to all. Actually, வந்து எங்களுக்கு எங்க ஸ்கூல்ல வந்து ரோட்டரி கிளப்ல இருந்து எங்களுக்கு லிட்ரஸி கிளாஸ் வந்து this is the 6th year. ஒரு சார் மிதாஜி சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி.
ஆமாங்க, ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் கிண்டி லிட்ரஸி கிளாஸ்ங்க. அந்த வேர்ட் கிண்டியை நீங்க மறக்க கூடாதுங்க.
ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் கிண்டியா. இப்போ இந்த 5 இயர்ஸ்ல வந்து என்ன நான் அப்சர்வ் பண்ணேன்னா, ஆக்சுவலா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் என்ன நினைச்சேன்னா, அந்த லிட்ரஸி கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது வந்து ஒன்லி ஃபார் பேசிக் ஆஃப் மேத்ஸ், இங்கிலீஷ் அண்ட் கம்ப்யூட்டர் அப்படிதான் நான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் அதுல என்ன தெரியுதுன்னா, ஒவ்வொரு கிளாஸ்லயும் வந்து அந்த வேல்யூஸ் எப்படியெல்லாம் பிஹேவ் பண்ணணும் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு, எந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டீச்சர்கிட்ட எப்படி இருக்கணும், பேரண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கணும், வெளியில போனா எப்படி இருக்கணும், அந்த மாதிரி பிஹேவியர்ஸ் எல்லாமே கற்றுக் கொடுத்தாங்க. அதுவும் மிதாஜி வந்து நான் ஆக்சுவலா அவரை யாரு கூட கம்பேர் பண்ண நினைக்கிறேன்னா, காமராஜர் கூட தான் அவரை கம்பேர் பண்ணணும். ஆக்சுவலா என்னென்ன ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு வேணும் அப்படிங்கறது ஒன்னு திங்க் பண்ணி அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு வந்து அத்தனையும் ஒரு ஈவினிங்னா ஸ்கூல் ஹவர்ஸ் முடிஞ்சு அடுத்தது ஈவினிங்ல வந்து அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் எல்லாமே கொஞ்சம் பசியோட இருப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு ஸ்நாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுத்தாரு. ஸ்நாக்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு அவங்களுக்கு எப்படியெல்லாம் கிளாஸ் கொண்டு போகணும், இன்டராக்ஷன் கிளாஸ் நிறைய இருந்துச்சு. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் டைரக்டா வந்து கூப்பிட்டு அவங்கள வந்து நிறைய பேச வச்சு, ஒண்ணுமே அந்த பசங்க வந்து வாய் திறந்து பேசக்கூட முடியாத அந்த மாதிரி இருந்த பசங்க எல்லாம் கூட அந்த லிட்ரஸி கிளாஸஸ் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த பசங்க பார்த்தா அந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து ஒரு நல்ல எக்ஸலண்டா ஒரு ஸ்டடீஸ்லயும் நல்ல இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட். அந்த அளவுக்கு அவரு அந்த அவரோட இது வந்து அந்த லாங் ஸ்டாண்டிங் திங்கிங், அந்த இதுல வந்து லாங் விஷன்ல அவர் பாக்குறது எல்லாமே அந்த ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு வந்து என்னெல்லாம் தேவை, எப்படி எல்லாம் செய்யணும் அப்படின்னு அந்த அளவுக்கு இதுவா செய்திருக்காரு. ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியமா இருந்தது அவர் செஞ்சிருக்காரு பார்த்தா. இப்ப எனக்கு வந்து என்னன்னா, என்னோட ஸ்கூல் லைஃப்ல எப்படின்னா டில் 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் வந்து நான் வந்து ஒரு ஆவரேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான். 10th வரும்போது தான் வந்து எனக்கு 10th ஒரு மேத்ஸ் டீச்சர் ஒருத்தர் இருந்தாரு, மணி அப்படின்னு இருந்தாரு. அவர் வந்து கன்னியாகுமரி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட். அவர் வந்து எங்களுக்கு மேத்ஸ் எடுக்கும்போது தான் அந்த வீக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து கொஞ்சம் கார்னர் பண்ணி அவங்களெல்லாம் எப்படி செய்யணும் அப்படிங்கறதெல்லாம் ஒவ்வொரு இதுவா அவங்களுக்கு பர்சனல் அட்டென்ஷன் கொடுத்து பண்ணாரு. அவர் அந்த இதுல தான் எனக்கு மேத்ஸ்ல ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வந்தது. இன்னைக்கு வந்து நான் ஒரு மேத்ஸ் டீச்சரா இருக்கிறேன்னா அதுக்கு காரணம் அவர் தான். இப்போ வந்து பசங்களுக்கு வந்து நான் அந்த ஆவரேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருந்ததுனால இப்போ உள்ள அந்த ஆவரேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்டோட லெவல் எப்படி, அவங்களுக்கு எந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம போகணும், எப்படி சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து எனக்கு அதனாலதான் புரிஞ்சது. அவர் செஞ்ச அந்த ஒரு இது அந்த பசங்களுக்கு வந்து இண்டிவிஜுவல் அட்டென்ஷன் கொடுத்து அவர் பண்ணதான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து எனக்கு லைஃப்ல வந்து சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுது. அதுக்காக நான் வந்து இப்போ அவரை நான் நினைச்சு பாக்குறேன் இந்த நாள்ல, நீங்க அந்த அவார்ட் கொடுக்குற இந்த நாள்ல. அடுத்து இன்னொன்று, அந்த லிட்ரஸி கிளாஸ் பத்தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேசும்போது அந்த கிளாஸ் வந்து ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. அதான் நான் ஒரு தாமசாட்ட திருப்ப கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணேன், இது வந்து ஆன்லைன் கிடையாது, ஆஃப்லைன் தான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காரு. சொல்லிட்டு இப்போ அதுக்கான அந்த இதெல்லாம் கொடுக்குறேன், எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு சொல்றேன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காரு. பட் எங்களோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து இந்த மொபைல் ஃபோனே கிடையாது. அதுவும் வந்து வாட்ஸ்அப்ல ஷேர் பண்றதுக்கு இப்போ 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பிள்ளைங்களுக்கு கூட வந்து எங்களுக்கு 85 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கிறாங்க. ஆனால் அதுல வந்து 50 to 55 சில்ட்ரன் தான் வாட்ஸ்அப்பே இருக்கு. அது கூட வாட்ஸ்அப் கூட அவ்வளோ ஆக்டிவா இல்லை, ஏதாவது ஒரு டைம் தான் பாக்குறாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி லெவல்ல தான் இருந்துகிட்டு இருக்கு பசங்களுக்கு. முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் நாங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து கலெக்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஸோ இதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து அந்த பசங்க நீங்க கொடுக்குற அந்த இதுல வந்து நிறைய பேர் ஜாயின் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு எதிர்பார்க்கிறேன். உங்க சர்வீஸ் வந்து ஆல்வேஸ் மெமரபிள்.
தேங்க்யூ ராஜு சார், தேங்க்யூ. We have Usha Prasad from 3231. Once upon a time, our district, now just a neighboring district. She would also like to say a few words.
But always your friend, Sharath.
Our friend, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'd like to share a few experience with my mother, who was assistant headmistress in a school. And I happened to study there, and it's a quasi-government school. And my mother was never partial, you know. Though I was in her class at times, she was used to take class for us. When she knew I never did my homework at home, she used to take revenge in the class. She used to say, who all not had done your homework, please stand up on the bench. So she was never partial, and she never felt that it's my daughter, I have to protect her because she hasn't done her homework, and nothing like that. So all teachers are so straightforward, and they teach you the truth in life, that you should never tell lies, you should be humble and modest and things like that. That kind of quality you can find only in a teacher, you know. So I thought of sharing this specific quality in a teacher, where they have no partiality among children, whether it is your child or others' child. Whoever is the best is closer to them. That's what I wanted to share about.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. எல்லாரும் அவங்க டீச்சரை பத்தி சொன்னாங்க. நான் வந்து just one small, you know, a kind of a clip. Okay. See, the guys who know physics here, you know, of course, everybody would have studied physics until 10th. See, there is some subject in physics called, there's a chapter called cyclotron. So அந்த cyclotron வந்து அந்த வார்த்தையே எனக்கு வராது ஸ்கூல்ல. அது வார்த்தை வராது, அது என்னன்னே தெரியாது. So it actually means a type of a particle accelerator. அது வந்து எனக்கு வந்து எப்படி புரியணும்னு என்னோட அவர் வந்து பிசிக்ஸ் டீச்சர் என்ன சொன்னாருன்னா, சைக்கிள் ஓட்டுறான், அவன் சைக்கிள் ஓட்டுறான். So just a simple sentence, you know, it actually made me understand there is something called cyclotron. அந்த வேர்ட் இருக்கு, அவன் சைக்கிள் ஓட்டுறான், அது வந்து ஆக்சிலரேட் பண்ணுது. So like this, you know, everyone would have had, you know, so many experiences with every teacher, and you know, it could have been very silly at that time, but you know, over the years when you think and recollect that, you know, it's such an amazing experience. Ala, you want to say? We have one teacher, Mohanabal. She has raised her hand.
Good evening,
yes,
sir.
Solunga.
Yeah, good evening, madam.
நான் இங்க உஷா நான் சொன்னதை நான் இங்க சொன்னே, எனக்கும் சொல்லணும்னு தோணுச்சு. ஏன்னா எனக்கு வந்து 6th வந்து எங்க அம்மா தான் கிளாஸ் டீச்சர். அதேதான், அவங்க ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்னு கிடையாது, ஆனா கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரே ஜனநாயகமா இருக்கும், பாய்ஸ் அண்ட் கேர்ள்ஸ். அதேதான், என்ன வந்து தண்டிக்கிறதுல நான் என்ன சின்னதா தப்பு பண்ணாலும் அதை வந்து முன்னிலைப்படுத்துவாங்க. இது மாதிரி நடக்கக்கூடாது, நான் டீச்சர் பொண்ணு அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக எந்த சலுகையும் கிடையாது. இன்னும் கேட்டா எனக்கு நிறைய ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிய ஏற்படுத்தினதே அவங்கதான். ஸ்கூல்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா எதுக்கு எடுத்தாலும் என்னதான் கூப்பிடுவாங்க. ஈவன் 12th up to 12th கூட அப்படிதான். ஒரு சின்ன சாக்பீஸ் இல்லைன்னா, போர்டு கிளீனா இல்லைன்னா, புக்கு அவங்க கேட்கறது கொண்டு வந்து கொடுக்கலைன்னா, அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் எடுக்கலைன்னா, போய் கண்ணே பண்ணல, எல்லாத்துக்கும் கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பாங்க. அது வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருந்தாலும் போக போக வந்து அது எனக்கு நல்லா பழகிடுச்சு. ஒரு சின்ன இது கூட, நீயே இப்படி இருந்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி, டீச்சர்ஸோட கஷ்டம் தெரியாம இருக்கீங்களேமா, நீயே இப்படி இருக்கியம்மா அப்படின்னு கேட்பாங்க. என்ன மோகனா, ஒரு டீச்சரோட பொண்ணா வந்துட்டு இது தெரியாதா, வகுப்பறையில எப்படி வச்சுக்கணும், காமா இருக்க கூடாதா, போர்டு கிளீனா இருக்க கூடாதா, டேட் போட மாட்டியா, பிரசன்ட் ஆப்சன்ட் போட மாட்டியா, எல்லாத்தையும் ஒவ்வொரு பாத்துட்டே இருக்க சொல்லுவாங்க. பெருக்கி இருக்கா, சுத்தமா இருக்கா, பசங்க செப்பல்ஸ் வரிசையா விடுறாங்களா, இது எல்லாத்தையும் படிக்கிறதையும் பார்க்க சொல்லுவாங்க. நோட்டு கலெக்ட் பண்றது, ரெக்கார்ட் நோட்ஸ் வைக்கிறது, இதுக்கு கூட்டிட்டு போறது, லேபுக்கு கூட்டிட்டு போறது, இது மாதிரி அந்த மேம் சொன்னே எனக்கு சொல்லணும்னு தோணுச்சு. அதுவே 6th ரொம்ப நல்ல கிளாஸ கொண்டு போவாங்க. எனக்கு என்னென்ன செய்யணும்னு நினைச்சாங்களோ கிளாஸ்ல, கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல் தான், அம்மாவும் கவர்மெண்ட் டீச்சர், கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்க. அந்த ஸ்கூல்ல தான் நாங்க படிச்சோம். ஈவன் 3 பேர் நாங்க சிஸ்டர்ஸ், நான் பெரியவங்க, எங்க 3 பேத்துக்கும் அவங்க கிளாஸ் டீச்சரா இருந்திருக்காங்க. என்ன அடிச்சா நான் வந்து கோச்சிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூலோட மறந்துடுவேன், கிளாஸோட மறந்துடுவேன். ஆனா என் தங்கைகள்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா, வாசல்ல நின்னுக்குவாங்க. எல்லாம் ஒன்னா வந்தனே உள்ள விட மாட்டாங்க, கேட் லாக் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க. வந்தனே அவங்களுக்கு எத்தனை அடி அடிச்சாங்களோ அதை திருப்பி கொடுத்துட்டு தான் உள்ள விடுவாங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ள. அதெல்லாம் நடந்திருக்கு. அது மேம் சொன்னனே எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வந்துச்சு. கிளாஸ்ல நல்லா கொண்டு போவாங்க. எங்களுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் அந்த காலகட்டத்துல, அப்ப வந்து போஸ்ட் மாஸ்டர்ல நிறைய கிராமங்கள், வில்லேஜஸ் போயிருக்கோம். 3 வருஷம் 2 வருஷத்துக்கு ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்போம். அதனால அவர் வந்து போஸ்ட்ல இருந்தனால எங்களுக்கு எல்லா புக்ஸையும் போஸ்ட்ல வர வச்சிருவாரு. அதுல என்னெல்லாம் கிளாஸ்க்கு கொண்டு வர முடியுமோ அதெல்லாம் அவங்க படிச்சு கொண்டு வருவாங்க. எனக்கு என்ன சொல்லணும்னு நினைக்கிறாங்களோ அதை அப்படியே கிளாஸ்ல டிக்ஷனரி கொண்டு வந்து கொடுப்பாங்க. மேப் டிராயிங் வெளியே போறப்போ, சிட்டி சைட் போறப்போ, டவுனுக்கு போறப்போ அதை கலெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு வந்து எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்பவே எல்லாம் செய்வாங்க. சார்ட்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க, ஸ்கெட்ச் பென்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணி கொடுப்பாங்க. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும் கிளாஸ் ரூம். அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டீச்சர் அந்த ஸ்கூல்ல, அந்த கிராமத்துல எங்க அம்மா தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லேடி டீச்சர். அதனால நிறைய க்ளோஸா எல்லா பிள்ளைங்களும் வந்து வீட்டுக்கு வந்து எல்லாம் ஒன்னா சேர்ந்துக்கும். ரொம்ப நல்ல இனிமையா இருக்கும் அந்த காலகட்டங்கள்லாம். எல்லா டீச்சர்ஸும் அப்கோர்ஸ் எல்லாமே அப்படிதான். நிறைய டீச்சர்ஸ் யார சொல்றது யார விடுறதுன்னு தெரியல. ரொம்ப நன்றி இந்த இது அருமையான இனிமையான தருணங்களை உங்களோட ஷேர் பண்ணிக்க எனக்கு வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்ததுக்கு தேங்க்யூ சார்.
தேங்க்யூமா.
தேங்க்யூ ரோட்டரி கிண்டி.
தேங்க்யூமா. நாங்க உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் நன்றி சொல்லணும். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் சூசிங் திஸ் நோபல்.
என்னோட வகுப்பறை கூட கொஞ்சம் ஜனநாயகமா தான் இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் சவுண்டா இருக்கும். டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் கூட
ஆமாமா மேடம், உங்களை பார்த்தாவே தெரியுது. உங்களை பார்த்தோன்னே எல்லாம் பசங்க எல்லாம் பயப்படுவாங்க.
ஆமாங்க சார், கொஞ்சம் இன்டராக்ஷன் என்னோட கிளாஸ்ல கொஞ்சம் சவுண்டா தான் இருக்கும் பிள்ளைங்க. நான் என்ன சொல்றது?
தேங்க்யூ மேம். தேங்க்யூ.
சரிங்க சார், தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Yeah friends, we have an interesting idea from our club service director. So Kritika, probably you can say that, you can appeal to our members. I'm sure you will get what you want.
Okay, okay, my dear friends, I just thought as Damu sir was talking, Raju sir, sorry. I think the bare minimum that these kids who are attending, especially during these pandemic times, the very basic necessity that they need to attend a class is a phone. I'm sure all of us will have some old used phones. We keep changing our phones very frequently, so we all will definitely have some unused phones, which is of very good condition, but still we would have bought a new phone and kept those things as a backup or a standby phone. So I think we can help these kids by giving or giving those unused phones. It will make a world of difference to them. For us it's just another phone, but for them it makes a world of difference. So I think members of RCG, and I appeal to all the other members who are in this meeting, can kindly come forward to donate their, because right now as I speak I want to donate 2 phones from my side.
Great,
I think
great.
It will be of
You lead
very
by your
great
actions.
help for these kids. It will be a very great help for these kids, and it makes a world of difference to them, because for us it's luxury, for them it's basic education. I think we can come forward and help these kids in whatever way we can. Thank you, President. That's what I wanted to say.
Thank you. Kritika, it's a wonderful initiative, and I'm sure you can make an appeal tomorrow, say in our group after some time, and I'm sure you're going to get your old phones. In the iPhone 10, 11 and the mari irundha mattum enakku konjam kudunga. நான் யூஸ் பண்ணது இல்ல.
Students
Okay, yeah, Bala, I think you can go with the agenda, next agenda please.
Yeah, next agenda. Yeah, thank you Sharath. Move on to next agenda, the secretary announcements. Today Juvina, Annette of Motish, Rotarian Motish, celebrating birthday today, and Munira, Annette of Shabir Kotari, celebrating birthday today. Our foundation chairman Ananta Sensation, celebrating birthday tomorrow. Spotlight put and Advait, Annette of Rotary Neelakandan, celebrating birthday tomorrow. Shanti Yes, Anne of Sengadir, celebrates birthday on 10th October. Vani Karigalan, Annette of Karigalan SS, celebrate birthday on 10th October. Sharath Yes, Annette of Shaji PC, celebrate birthday on 10th October. Sriram Narayana Swami, Annette of Anuradha N, celebrate birthday on 10th October. Balaji SM, our own Rotarian Balaji SM, celebrate birthday on 11th October. Our Rotarian Karigalan SS, celebrate birthday on 13th October. Yeah, thank you. Our next weekly meeting on next week 14th. Thank you.
Yes, Bala, thank you very much. And I thank Shabir for contributing 5,000 rupees for Joy of Giving on the occasion of his daughter's birthday today, Munira. And Station leads by example. Our birthday naaliki inike vande 8000 rupees potuttaru. Thank you, Station. A great gesture. And Anuradha is here. You want to say anything about teachers, Anu? Neenga ama. Yeah.
Okay.
Pesunga. Then after that,
I actually have given my teachers Dr. Geeta. She was my professor, and she just joined the college as a professor. And I lost my parents when it was, and then I did my schooling from 6th standard to 12th standard, and also joined in the second year in the hostel because I lost my parents. And she was my, I don't know, still I love her. She was my guru philosopher and teacher, whatever it is, I can say. And even today, I'm get in touch with her, and she's everything for me. So I'm very happy to that the people are giving her this thing. What is that? Mari award.
Certificate of appreciation.
Ama. She's also very expecting. Enna anu nee edho sonna unme varala. I told her, wait madam, 10th October the international idu. So I'm very happy about it. And Shriram on a birthday is 10th, and I'm also giving 10,000 rupees now.
Wow, thank you, Anu. Anu, avanga and the teacher பேர் வந்து கீதா ராமமூர்த்தி தானே?
Geeta Ramamurthy, and she's like my mom and guru, everything. Because அந்த days la வந்து 6th standard la இருந்து ஒரே ஸ்கூல்ல ஒரே காலேஜ்ல படிச்சிட்டு I stayed in the hostel. I was அப்படியே வந்து I was left alone, and she's everything for me that time.
Thank you.
So I respect her more than a teacher. And என்னோட handwriting காக எனக்கு வந்து she gives me 2 marks extra. So I'll be the first in the class.
அதே handwritingல ஒரு செக், நல்ல ஒரு பெரிய செக் எழுதுங்க அனு.
நிறைய வந்ததுன்னா கொடுக்கிறேன் சரத். ஷூரா. நிறைய வரப்போகுது.
இல்ல I'm just joking. Already நல்லா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. Every member are very generous, very philanthropic. Thanks a lot. So in the year joy வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. You will do very big projects, right? Bala, it's over to you.
Yeah, thank you.
We have President nominee Ramesh silent ஆ இருக்காரு, ஒண்ணும் பேசாம. அவரோட பையன் ரெண்டு இது கொடுத்திருக்காரு, 2 அவார்ட்ஸ். இருங்க
ரமேஷ் அன்மியூட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க ப்ளீஸ். அன்மியூட்.
இல்ல பாலா நீங்க பண்ணிட்டீங்களா அவரை?
இல்ல ஒரே நிமிஷம் இருங்க.
ஹலோ மதன் சொன்ன மாதிரி தான் அவங்களோட சீனியர்ஸ் வந்து கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிற மாதிரி தான் என்னோட பையன் நாமினேட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அவரோட சீனியர் வந்து ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் வந்து இவர் ஈவன் 10 out of 10 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல எடுக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமான காரணம் இருந்ததுனால அவரை நாமினேட் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் எந்த ஒரு ஆசிரியரும் வந்து தவிர்க்க முடியாத ஆசிரியர். நல்ல விஷயமா சொல்லி கொடுத்திருந்தாலும் சரி, இல்ல எப்படி நம்ம நடக்கக்கூடாதுன்றதுக்கு உதாரணமா இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஸோ அனைத்து ஆசிரியர்களுக்கும் இதை வந்து நான் சமர்ப்பிக்கிறேன்.
Thank you
Ramesh ji. Now move on to next agenda. எங்கள் சங்கத்தின் புலவர் ரொட்டேரியன் கிரிஷ் பட்டாபியை நன்றியுரை கூற அழைக்கின்றேன். வாருங்கள் புலவர் அவர்களே.
விண்ணுலகில் இருந்து மண்ணுலகில் வந்து நன்றி உரை வழங்குங்கள்.
நன்றி பாலா அவர்களே. ஓகே, தமிழ்ல பாலா ஆரம்பிச்சாலும் நான் இங்கிலீஷ்லயும் ஆரம்பிக்கிறேன். Before I start my word of thanks, I want to say a few words about the teachers. As most of you, I also had fantastic teachers. The amount of leadership lessons I learned from them is so much that when I interacted with the teachers of my daughter, I could actually guide those teachers who are younger to me. So that was the amount of rich experience I still carry with me from my teachers. And until 10th standard, I studied in Tamil medium. Still, my English turned out to be very good. Obviously, thanks to the fine teachers I had. There is 2 things I wanted to say before. And before I get to the word of thanks, I wanted to thank all the teachers. So, Bala வந்து புலவர்னு சொல்லிட்டாரு. என்னால ஒரு கவிதை இல்லாம நான் சொல்ல கண்டினியூ பண்ணக்கூடாது. என்னுடைய ஆர்சிடி சார்பாக என்னுடைய ஆசிரியர் தின வாழ்த்து. 6ஆம் அறிவிற்கு கூர்மை சேர்த்து சீராய் எண்ணம் சிறக்க நேராய் முகத்தில் சீர்வழி சொன்னீர், சமயத்தில் ஸ்கேலாலும் சொன்னீர். வழி தேடா வாழ்க்கை அமைந்தவர் வாழ்க்கை பாதையில் உங்கள் மாறா மனமும் உழைப்பும் உண்டு, குறை சேராமல் வாழ்த்தும் நன்றியும் சேர்த்தோம் உங்கள் கால்களில் இன்று. நன்றி. And also for this meeting, I thank the Rotarians for giving me the opportunity to thank everybody. And first, Mr. Alok Mimani, who in a very short speech of his, literally took me back to my school days, and it was a very extremely good gesture from him. And thanks to Shobna Prasad for her presence and the few words which she talked about. And I place my appreciation and thanks to Satya, Anu and team for excellent work done on the Teachers' Day. and bringing together all these teachers and then arranging for the commendations. It was a wonderful job and very well thought out too. And Mida and team, what can I say about them? Fantastic job on the online literary classes, and we heard it from the teacher, Mr. Raju as well. He gave us a first-hand experience on the online literary classes. It was a wonderful job. And thanks for all the teachers who turned up today and also share their experience about the and the fondness about the teachers on their experience and the rich lessons they learned from all the teachers in their life. And thanks to AHA Guru Damu also, who shared his wise words today. And thank you everybody for being present. And that brings us close to the meeting. Over to you, Sharad.
Thank you, Krish Patabai, Rotary Krish Patabai. Thank you very much. Let's all rise for the national anthem. Naresh boy, can you play?
President, with your permission today, I would dedicate this national anthem to all the wonderful ladies and the teachers out here.
Yes, please. This weekly meeting is now adjourned. Thank you for joining the meet.